Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
To play some high-end games, the main thing that require after graphics and processor is the gaming keyboard and mouse. Most of the gamers are using the set of their gaming keyboards worth price really high that sometimes we can't really afford. So if you guys are searching for some really cool gaming keyboard set, then I believe it will end right here. Because in this video I'll gonna do an unboxing of Cooler Master Devastated 3 gaming keyboard and mouse. To know more about the same, watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe this channel Tricknology. Let's unbox it. As you can see, the name is clearly mentioned over the box. It's Devastated 3 and it's from Cooler Master. Cooler Master is a very well-known name of making products like SMPS cabinets and all. But this gaming keyboard and mouse combo is surely gonna blow your mind. The main key feature of the keyboard is it has a LED back panel which can be changed up to 7 different colors. So I'm opening the box. Here comes the beauty. And here's the mouse. It has a robotic kind of feeling with the mouse, especially the color detailing. Now let's connect them with my PC and see how it works. Now that's what I call something wonderful. Now let me show you how to change the color of those lights. Here's a key just placed at the left hand side of the control button. So I'm tapping it. You can see the color is changing. And now let's do the same with the mouse. Here's a button at the top of the mouse. You have to keep pressing it to change the color of the light. Now let me reveal the price. If you want to buy this combo set online, you may have to spend near about 4,000 rupees. You can check it through the link in the description box, but in my case I have bought it around 2700 rupees from offline market. So I guess you should also compare the price with offline market before buying it to save some of your money.